Hello and welcome back to our channel, the Easy English Podcast.
We're really happy you are here with us today.
This episode is special because we want to share something important with you.
Don't give up on yourself.
Learning English can feel hard sometimes,
You might feel shy. You might feel slow.
but that's okay. You are not alone.
You don't need perfect English to speak English.
You just need to start.
On this podcast, we use easy English for everyday life
We help you stop thinking too much.
and start talking.
So relax, listen, and enjoy the lesson.
And before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and like the podcast.
Let's learn English together, step by step. Emma, let's talk about something very real today.
Yes, why learning English feels so hard for so many people.
If you're listening right now and thinking English is difficult, you are not wrong.
But you're also not alone.
Millions of people around the world feel the same way.
One big reason English feels hard is fear.
Fear of making mistakes.
You think, what if I say the wrong word?
Or what if my grammar is bad?
Or even worse, what if people laugh?
Let us tell you something important.
Mistakes are normal.
Everyone makes mistakes, even native speakers.
Yes, native speakers say the wrong word all the time.
They just keep talking.
Another big fear is accent.
People say, my accent isn't good.
I sound different.
Guess what?
Everyone has an accent.
Even Americans.
A Texas accent, a New York accent, a California accent.
They're all different.
An accent means you know more than one language.
That's something to be proud of.
Now let's talk about thinking too much.
This is a big problem for beginners.
You want to speak, but your brain says,
Wait, think, translate.
and by the time you're ready,
The conversation is over.
that's because you're translating in your head.
English to your language, then back to English again.
That takes time and energy.
And it makes speaking feel stressful.
Mike, my brain sometimes feels like an old computer.
Loading, loading, loading.
And then error.
Exactly.
Feeling stuck is part of learning.
Think about a baby learning to talk.
They don't speak perfectly.
They make sounds. They try again.
No one says, oh no, that baby made a mistake.
People smile and encourage them.
You deserve the same patience.
Here's the truth.
You don't need perfect English.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need big words.
Simple English works.
I work here.
I like coffee.
I'm learning English.
That's real communication.
English feels hard because you care.
And because you're learning something new.
That's not weakness.
That's strength.
So if English feels hard today,
Don't quit.
take a breath.
Keep listening.
Keep practicing.
You are doing better than you think. Emma, let's say something very important today.
Yes, this message can change how people learn English.
You do not need perfect English.
Not now, not ever.
Perfect English is not the goal.
Communication is the goal.
Let's be honest.
Native speakers do not speak perfectly.
We stop, we think, we change words.
Sometimes we say, you know?
That's normal English.
Perfect grammar lives in textbooks.
Real English lives in conversations.
Many learners wait to speak,
They say, I will speak when my English is perfect.
but that day never comes.
Because perfect English does not exist.
While you wait, you don't practice.
And without practice, English feels harder.
Mike, if English had to be perfect,
No one would talk,
not even us.
especially not before coffee.
Let's look at simple English.
I want water.
I need help.
I do not understand.
These sentences are short.
But they are powerful.
They get the message across.
That's what language is for.
Some learners stop mid-sentence,
They think, oh no, grammar.
and they stop talking.
Try this instead.
Finish your sentence.
Even if it's not perfect,
People will still understand you.
when you listen to someone speak,
You don't count their grammar mistakes.
you listen to the idea.
Others do the same with you,
They want to understand you.
not judge you.
Most English speakers are not native.
They speak English with accents,
Different grammar.
different styles.
And guess what?
They communicate just fine.
Instead of perfect English,
Aim for better English.
one new word a day.
One sentence at a time.
That's real progress.
Let's practice together.
Say this,
I do not speak perfect English.
but I can communicate.
I don't speak perfect English, but I can communicate.
Your English is enough.
Your effort matters.
Your voice matters.
So don't wait.
Do not hide.
Speak now.
English is a tool. Use it. Emma, let's talk about something everyone is afraid of.
Mistakes.
Yes, big, small, funny, and embarrassing mistakes.
If you are learning English, mistakes are normal.
Actually, mistakes are helpful.
Many learners think mistakes are bad.
They think, if I make a mistake, people will laugh.
Or people will think I am not smart.
But that's not true.
Mistakes do not mean failure.
When you make a mistake,
Your brain is learning something new,
it's testing ideas,
trying new sounds.
trying new words.
That's how learning works.
Emma, do you remember your first mistake in English?
Oh yes, too many.
Same here.
And guess what?
We survived.
This may surprise you.
Native speakers make mistakes every day.
We say the wrong word.
We change sentences in the middle,
We forget what we were saying.
and no one panics.
When you make a mistake,
You notice it.
then you remember it.
Next time, you do it better.
No mistake means no correction.
Let's say you say,
He go to work.
that's okay.
People understand you.
Later, you learn,
He goes to work.
now you improved.
Some learners stop talking.
They think too much.
They feel embarrassed.
But stopping is the real problem.
Speaking, even with mistakes, is better.
Most people want to help.
They do not laugh.
They listen.
They understand.
And sometimes they help you correct gently.
Do not try to be perfect.
Try to be better than yesterday.
One mistake today,
One lesson learned.
repeat after me.
It's okay to make mistakes.
Mistakes help me learn.
I learn English by speaking.
Every mistake is a step forward.
Every sentence is practice.
So do not be afraid.
Speak more.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
Emma, let's talk about something very important.
Practice.
Yes, but not long, boring practice.
Just a little every day.
Many learners think they need 2 or 3 hours,
That sounds scary.
and it's not realistic.
But 5 or 10 minutes?
That's easy.
Learning English is like exercise.
You do not go to the gym once a month.
You go often.
Small practice builds strength.
Small English practice builds confidence.
When you practice every day,
Your brain remembers faster.
words feel familiar.
Sentences come naturally.
You stop translating.
Mike, do you practice English every day?
Yes, even when I talk to myself.
Same here.
Best student, best teacher.
You do not need a classroom.
You do not need a teacher every day.
Here are some easy ideas.
Listen to a short podcast.
Watch a 1-minute video.
Repeat simple sentences.
Talk about your day out loud.
Speak to yourself.
It feels strange at first.
But it works.
Say things like,
I'm making breakfast.
I'm going to work.
I feel tired today.
Don't worry about repeating.
Repetition is learning.
Children repeat words.
That's how they learn.
You can do the same.
Many people say,
I will start tomorrow.
tomorrow becomes next week.
Next week becomes next year.
Start today.
Connect English to your daily life.
In the morning, listen to English.
In the afternoon, read one sentence.
At night, say 3 sentences.
That's it.
Repeat with us.
I practice English every day.
5 minutes is enough.
I am improving.
You do not need to be perfect.
You need to be consistent.
A little today,
A little tomorrow.
practice every day, and English will become easier.
Emma, let's talk about mistakes.
Ah, yes, the thing everyone is afraid of.
Exactly.
But today, we're going to change how people feel about mistakes.
Many learners think mistakes are bad.
They feel embarrassed.
They stop speaking.
But mistakes are normal.
Everyone makes mistakes.
If you never make mistakes,
You're not learning.
mistakes mean you're trying.
They show progress.
Every mistake teaches something new.
Emma, remember when I said, I am boring instead of I am bored?
Yes, you told everyone you were boring.
Big mistake.
But you learned.
When you make a mistake,
Your brain notices it.
it remembers the correction.
That's powerful learning.
Perfect sentences do not teach as much.
Many learners stop mid-sentence.
They think too much.
They worry about grammar.
But communication comes first.
Speak first.
Fix later.
Native speakers make mistakes every day.
We forget words.
We say the wrong thing.
And we laugh and continue.
So do not be afraid.
Some learners say sorry a lot.
Sorry for my English.
Stop saying that.
Your English is good.
Your message matters.
Don't try to fix everything.
Choose one mistake.
Practice it.
Move forward.
Learning is step by step.
Repeat with us.
Mistakes help me learn.
I am not afraid to speak.
I learn from my mistakes.
Every speaker you admire,
Made thousands of mistakes.
they didn't quit.
They kept going.
Make mistakes, learn, speak. That's how English grows. Emma, let's talk about practice.
Yes, small practice every day.
Not long hours,
Not stress.
just a little.
Many learners think they need hours.
2 hours a day,
That sounds scary.
but 5 minutes is enough.
5 minutes every day is powerful.
Your brain likes small steps.
Daily practice builds habits.
Habits build confidence.
Confidence helps you speak.
Emma, do you remember when I said I would study 2 hours a day?
Yes, for 2 days.
Exactly.
But when you practice 10 minutes a day,
I improved more.
say one sentence.
Talk to yourself.
Describe what you see.
Talk in the shower.
The walls are great listeners.
Use English in daily life.
When you wake up,
When you eat,
when you walk.
use simple sentences.
Repeating is not boring.
It builds memory.
Say the same sentence again.
Your brain learns faster.
Many people wait.
I will practice tomorrow.
Tomorrow becomes next week.
Start today.
Repeat after us.
I practice English every day.
I practice English every day.
5 minutes is enough.
5 minutes is enough.
I am improving step by step.
I am improving step by step.
You will not be perfect tomorrow.
You will not be perfect tomorrow.
And that's okay.
Learning is a journey.
Not a race.
Small steps matter.
Daily practice matters.
You do not need pressure.
Just consistency.
Practice a little. Speak a little. Grow every day.
Now it's time for real life.
Yes, the kind of English you hear every day.
At work, at school, or when you meet someone new.
Simple questions, simple answers.
Let's start with a very common question.
One everyone asks.
Where are you from?
Easy, right?
Hi, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Hi, I'm from France.
Oh, nice. Do you live there now?
No, I live in the US now.
Great, welcome.
Short answers are okay.
You do not need a long story.
Just clear and friendly.
Another very popular question.
What do you do?
It means, what's your job?
So, Mike, what do you do?
I work as a teacher.
Nice. Where do you work?
I work at a school. Simple sentences work best.
No big words needed.
Some people are students.
Some people work.
Both answers are fine. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Oh, nice. What do you study?
I study English.
Great choice.
Imagine you are new.
A new job, a new class.
You meet someone. Hi, I'm Emma. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Mike. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Texas. Friendly and easy.
That's real English.
You do not need perfect grammar.
You need communication.
Where are you from?
I'm from Italy.
What do you do?
I work in a store.
Nice.
Speak slowly.
Smile.
Use easy words.
Don't rush.
Real English is simple.
Real English is friendly.
Real English is not perfect.
And that's okay.
Answer these questions out loud.
Where are you from?
What do you do?
Where do you live now?
These conversations happen every day.
At work, on the street, online.
Practice them.
Use them.
The more you talk, the easier English becomes.
Remember, English is not about being perfect.
It's about speaking, trying, and learning every day.
Don't be afraid to make mistakes.
Mistakes mean you're learning.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Go to the comments and write 2 simple sentences.
For example, where are you from? What do you do?
We'd love to read your comments. And don't forget to support the podcast.
Like, subscribe, and share this video.
It really helps us help more learners like you.
In the next episode, we'll practice more real-life English.
So stay relaxed, keep practicing.
And keep speaking English. See you next time.